Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a website, how to create a store on Shopify about furniture and furnishings business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, here enter your email address and click here start free trial. Now here you can just skip all this if you want, and you can continue next. Now choose an account. So here once wait a few seconds to build this store. So the first thing here you have to do, go to the online store and click themes here where you can change your themes if you want. So here you can change the themes if you want. So for me I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want, just click add and select it. So now wait a few seconds to install in the theme. So now your theme is ready. So once your theme is added and ready, click here publish like this, and here you can customize it on your home page on your store. So click here customize, and here this is your home page, your store. So here you can change the style of your home page. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile or like a full screen. So for me I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here you can design your site from here. So first we have here the header, the announcements bar. You can change the color scheme if you want. You can turn this on, show separator line. You can also turn this on, show icons on desktop. Also you can turn auto rotate announcements. You can turn country and region selector, and also enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can here pass a link or search for something, or like collections. Just select all collections like this. Now let's get back and let's move on to the header. So here the header, you can change the desktop logo position. You can also change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. You can turn this on, show separator line. Also you can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. So you can enable country and region selector like the announcement bar, and also you can enable language selector. You can enable the spacing, and uh, you can manage the spacing, edit it if you want. You can manage the section padding. Here let's move on to the theme settings. Here where you can add your social media links like a Twitter or Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest or YouTube or wherever you want. You can just put here your link. Now let's move on. Here you can add your logo if you want to add it from your library or from whatever you want. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. Furniture logo ideas like this. So here like for example like this, put it here and wait a few seconds to upload in this. So this is right now, this is your logo of your business, of your store. So you can edit it at any time you want. You can change it, you can delete it, and also you can change it from your library. So that's it. Also you can manage the desktop logo width if you want. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to another section. Here you find the template, the slideshow section. You can edit the layout. You can also edit the slide height, and you can edit the pagination style. You can turn this on, auto rotate slides. So here you can manage the accessibility. Also the same settings, you can turn this on, reveal sections on scroll. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here browse your latest product. You can change the heading if you want. You can generate another heading, for example. Here you can describe what this text is about, for example furniture, and click here generate and wait to generate this. So for example this, here you can select image from your library or from, for example, from browser. For example this. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. That's it. Now click here if you're done from this. So here also you can change the heading size. You can also change the subheading. Just click here generate and you describe what this text is about. You can change the label, the button label. So that's it. You can change the button link. Also you can turn this on, use outline button style. You can show a container on desktop. So that's it. Here you can change the scheme color. So that's it. Now let's get back. Now let's move on to the featured collections. Also here you can generate the text, for example furnishings, and click here generate and wait the suggestions to, for example this. Here you can like this, you can add a description. Just describe what this text is about and generate. So for example this, you can here manage the heading size, you can manage the description style, you can show collections description from the admin. So that's it. Now let's get back. Now after you're done from this, so if you want to add something new, just click here add section. So here you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page, for example image banner or slideshow. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can design your you can manage your footer section, like the color scheme. You can make section full width. You can manage the section padding, and that's it. So that's now after you're done from this, after you're done from design your website, save this. So now change is saved. Now exit. Now let's get back to the home page. So the next step here, after you add your first product, after you add a custom domain, and after you add the sharing details, now the next step is name your store. Just click here, name your store. Here you can name it. So here enter any name you want. You can add your store phone, you can change your store email. So that's it. After this, save this like this. And now all you have to do after customizing your store, launch it, you can publish it easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.